come here to me.
Hey, Ron. I brought reinforcements.
Oh, great. What, you brought Joey?
Well, I brought the next best thing.
Chandler, you brought Chandler? The next best thing would be Monica.
You know, I wouldn't be offended, but Monica is freakishly strong.
Look, I drew a sketch of how we're going to do it, okay? Rach, that's you. That's the couch.
Ooh, what's that?
Oh, that's me.
Wow. Certainly think a lot of yourself.
Oh, that's my arm.
Oh, I see. I thought you just really, really liked your new couch.
You know what?
This is an official emergency broadcast from the SCP Foundation. Site 89 has issued a Level 5 containment emergency. Multiple anomalies have breached containment. Civilians are advised to remain indoors. Do not engage with any humanoid figures requesting help. Trust no visual confirmation. Entities identified as SCP-811 and SCP have exceeded behavioral limits. Mobile Task Force has been deployed. Do not attempt to enter any facilities labeled with hazard symbol. Fatality risk exceeds 90%. The Foundation thanks you for your compliance. Please remain calm. You are safe. You are safe. You are safe.
Okay.
Come on, Chandler. All right, okay. Here we go. All right, ready? Turn. Okay. Turn. Turn. I don't think we can turn anymore.
I just don't think it's gonna fit.
Oh, yeah, Will. Come on, up, 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 up. Yes. Here we go. Pivot. 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 Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Okay, I don't think it's going to pivot anymore. You think? All right, let's bring it back down and try again. Okay. Oh.
Okay, yeah, I think it's really stuck now.
Can't believe that didn't work.
I know, me neither.